Hello friends, welcome back to the next video. On this video we are going to take a look at how to create a database and how we can insert database in MongoDB. So now let me get connected to the Mongo shell. This will get me connected over there. So let's see what all databases we have, and we have admin, config and local. So now let's create a database called use tutorial for Insta. So now I have got this database created, but still if I go on to DBS I won't be able to see this database because we have not inserted any collections or any documents. So first thing, now let's go create a collection. So db.create collection will go with names. So now we have created in our next video we are going to take a look at how we can insert data into our database. So stay tuned for the next video.